Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, Tech for Hire here. I wanted to give you a little update on Mr. Project Sheldon. She's down. He's down for the count, I should say. He's not dead, but yeah. Here he is, up on the lift. No wheels, no subframe. What's going on here? So remember in my last video, we discussed that I heard what sounded like an exhaust leak. I did have an exhaust leak. Well, as I was trying to fix it, my exhaust manifold, or I should say the catalytic converter portion exhaust downpipe, snapped in two, broke in half. So obviously, crap, not good. What I needed to do was to take it off, but unfortunately with this car, the exhaust manifold, or I should say the downpipe, cannot be removed without taking the subframe out. Why? Why, you ask? Craziness. I agree. Let me show you. Okay, see this little sway bar right there? Well, even though it has this dent, that's kind of where the catalytic converter goes through. And sorry, bug just flew in my face. So it attaches to the exhaust manifold right here, comes down the car. My problem is I could not get the unit out so that I could weld it back together. So I had to take all of this apart to get it. And as I did that, I broke the scariest part is when you're taking something down the car, you know there's not supposed to be any fluids leaking. And then as you start lowering it, you hear like a pop, and then all of a sudden liquid comes flying out. Well, yeah, that's what happened to me. So on the power steering pump container reservoir has to slide through there. Well, it got hung up on here, and as you can tell, it broke that little tab off, and now I have coolant all over my garage, and I had to order another one of these. I finally got it today, so that's why I'm putting the car back together. But I noticed that my axle was broken. I should clarify, it's not broken, but the boot is torn. Luckily, I saw this and thought about it ahead of time, so I went ahead and ordered a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in as well. I have a new set of plugs. I have a new set of spark plugs. Spark plug wires, spark plugs. I'm going to put those in. The valve cover gasket is leaking, which is causing oil to go down the back side of the motor, which is why my subframe is disgusting. So I got the parts for that. So once I get the bottom section done, I'm going to work on the top, get everything ship shape. I got some oil that I ordered. I'm going to go ahead and do an oil change on it just because I don't know when the last time it was done. Previous owner, I'm pretty sure you did a good job, but always got to be safe. So wish me luck, and hopefully we'll get this puppy back on the road soon.